What's the secret to the law of attraction? The secret is there is no secret. The problem is everyone has a formula. Do this to manifest. 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, 10 steps. Oh my God, it gets really confusing, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to fix all of that because no matter how many ways you break it down, no matter how many steps, there are some things that you just cannot leave out of the manifesting process. So I'm going to discuss 5 steps. While there are others that may actually help you to get better results, these are the 5 steps that are absolutely critical to your success, and you will only be manifesting by default if you do not integrate all 5 of these steps into your manifesting routine. So watch this video to the end to understand what you must do to manifest. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction, and I'm here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with the manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, your goals, and a life you love. All right, so step number 1 is you've got to be clear on what you want and what you're focusing on. You've got to focus on just one thing. If you have your focus all over the place, if you're
trying to manifest a house and a soulmate and a job and your best weight all at the same time,
you're probably going to fail because you're diluting your focus into too many things. The more you can keep your focus on one thing and the more clear you can be, the more you are speaking that into existence, using the power of your imagination. Your imagination, if you have it darting all over the place and you're not clear, guess what? You're going to get mixed results. You're going to be unclear. You're going to be sending mixed and unclear signals to the subconscious mind. So that's number 1, is you must be clear and you must focus on one thing at a time. Number 2 is you need to write it down. Create a written desire statement and read it daily. All right, so this is just continuing along the process of getting clear. When you write things down, I can't even really explain it, but something magical happens when you write it down. I don't know if it's that you're getting committed to it. I don't know if it's that there's energy coming from your pen onto the paper. I don't know if the universe sees what you're writing down, or it's just another way of communicating to the subconscious mind. But when you write it down and then you read back what you've written multiple times throughout the day in a very clear, concise way, you are reinforcing that which you want into your subconscious mind. So again, number 2 is to write it down. Create a written desire statement and read it every day. And if you want help in learning how to do that, there's a book back there that helps you to do that. Number 3 is to spend quiet time every day in meditation, hypnosis, visualizing with feeling twice a day. It doesn't matter if it's meditation, if it's visualization, if it's hypnosis, whatever you want to call it, you need to get yourself into that feeling state, because the feeling really is the secret to manifesting. The whole reason why you write it down is because when you write it down, it's going to create a feeling. The whole reason why you do affirmations is because it's going to create a feeling. The whole reason why you use your imagination is because it's going to create a feeling. The whole thing is all about feeling, because feeling is what evokes the subconscious to make whatever it is that you are thinking about, it's going to impress that onto the subconscious mind. And it's going to give you, step 4, it's going to give you the signs and the guidance. So step 4 is to pay attention to the signs and the intuitive guidance. I'm going through this really fast because I really want you to understand how simple this can be, but how complicated other people might make it for you. So this is all about, like, you're going to know when to take action, which is going to be step 5. So step 4 is simply, once you have impressed upon the subconscious mind, you've impressed upon it by getting clear. In number 1, you've impressed upon it by writing down a clear, well-defined desire statement and reading it over and over again to yourself multiple times a day. Number 3, spending that time in meditation, hypnosis, visualizing, really amping up that feeling, really just allowing yourself to be with it, be in the state with the desire completely fulfilled. Number 4 is going to be to pay attention to the signs that the universe is sending you. The universe, the subconscious mind, the superconscious mind, whatever you want to call it, there are signs that you're going to see that are going to tell you what you need to do next. It's not important for you to know the how. You will be given the how. Go to visit this person, make this phone call. You're going to hear something from your intuition that's going to tell you what to do next. And so number 5 is to actually take that action. And that's what we mean by taking the action. You want to take inspired action steps every single day. You're going to hear something during your meditation. You're going to see something. You're going to hear something. You're going to see something, and it's going to tell you what to do. The more you get into a relationship, get into rapport with your subconscious mind, with your intuition, the more you're going to receive, and the quicker you're going to receive the guidance, the internal guidance telling you what step to take. And whatever the step is, it should actually feel light. It should feel fun. It should feel like something you really want to do. So let me just summarize that real quick. Get clear is number 1. Number 2, write it down, write a desire statement, read it every day. Number 3, spend quiet time, whether you call it meditation, hypnosis, visualizing, do that at least twice a day. Number 4, pay attention to the signs from intuitive guidance. And number 5 is to take small inspired action steps every day. And before you know it, you will have manifested the results that you wrote down in your number 1, your very clear idea that you want to manifest. So let me know your thoughts about today's video in the comments. And if you like today's video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to be notified about all my new videos, share this video on your social media, and also if you need to do some work around the area of manifesting, go ahead and download my HypnoCloud app and you will receive some amazing law of attraction manifesting self-hypnosis sessions in that app. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.